Good day everyone. So today I will explain how four-stroke cycle works. By the way, I am Roman Gam. I am third year student from Tarlac State University with a course of Bachelor of Technology and Vehicle Education, major in Industrial Arts. So let's talk about what is four-stroke engine. A four-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four-stroke separate while turning the crankshaft. Pag sinabi natin four-stroke, dapat may mga basic components yan. Ito yung tinatawag natin intake valve, spark plug, exhaust valve, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft. And also, bakit nga ba tinawag itong four-stroke engine? Kasi ito ay may apat na cycle, which is yung intake, compressed power, exhaust. And also may tinatawag tayong fuel delivery system na may intake manifold, intake, and exhaust valve. So let's proceed first to intake. Kung makikita nyo yung sa drawing natin, ang mangyayari sa piston is bababa yan from top dead center going to bottom dead center. Habang bumababa yung piston, ang mangyayari sa intake valve natin is bubukas yan. Kasi dyan papasok yung air and fuel na pupunta sa combustion chamber. So, let's proceed to compress. Pagkatapos bumaba ng piston is ang mangyayari sa piston natin, tataas muli yan. From bottom dead center, pupunta sa top dead center para makompress yung air and fuel mixture na pumasok sa intake valve. So, let's go into power stroke. Ang mangyayari, dito naman ang mangyayari sa spark plug natin is magpapainit yan, mag-ignite. And yung na-compress na air and fuel mixture is sasabog yan. Habang bumababa ang piston natin from top dead center going to bottom dead center. And then, let's proceed to last cycle of four-stroke engine, which is exhaust. Pagkatapos naman ulit bumaba yung piston, ang mangyayari sa piston natin, tataas uli yan. Habang tumataas yung piston natin, ang mangyayari sa exhaust valve is bubukas yan. Diyan kasi itatapon yung na-compress na air and fuel mixture habang tumataas ito. And then, pagtungtong pa lang dito sa top dead center, ang mangyayari sa exhaust valve natin, pagkatapos itapon yung air and fuel mixture, is magpo-close ulit yan. And then, ang mangyayari naman, pagkatapos pumunta sa taas yung piston natin from top dead center is bababa uli yan from top dead center going to bottom center. Kung baka babalik siya sa pinaka-unang cycle, which is yung intake. So, let's continue our discussion about two-stroke engine. Yung discuss natin kanina is about naman dun sa four-stroke engine. By the way, again, I am Roel Siam, a third-year student from Tarlac State University and with a course of Bachelor of Technology and Education, major in Industrial Arts. So today, let's talk about two-stroke engine. Kung nakikita nyo yung drawing natin, ito yung tinatawag natin two-stroke engine, similar sa four-stroke engine. Meron itong isang piston at meron itong crankcase na ginagamit sa gas exchange. Siyempre, meron din tayong tinatawag na spark plug at intake at exhaust port. Ang pinagkaiba lamang ng dalawa is yung tinatawag ng ating transfer port. Sa unang stroke, papasok yung air and fuel na nanggagaling sa intake port. At meron din namumuong pressure sa ating crankcase na nanggagaling sa ating intake port. Pagtaas ng piston, piston, doon parang magko-compress from BDC to DDC ang piston. Ang two-stroke engine ay may tinatawag na intake at exhaust port na wala siyang intake valve at exhaust valve. Sa intake stroke, pagbaba ng piston, doon parang magde-decrease ng pressure. Lalagpas sa butas ng intake at doon papasok ang na-mixture na hangin at gasolina sa transport port naman. Bubukas lang ito kapag pababa na ang piston, kapag mag-i-ignite na yung ating spark plug. Ang spark plug nito tulag pababa ang piston. Kapag patas naman na ang piston, ang mangyayari sa ating exhaust port is magbubukas na yan. Doon ilalabas ang nasunog na air and fuel mixture. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating discussion about two-stroke and four-stroke engine cycle. I hope you understand my explanation. That will be all. Thank you.